my people, thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube channel once again. Thank you so much for coming back. If it is your first time, please consider subscribing. Let's do this together. Today I'm a bit excited, guys, because I want to unbox something I got here. Please don't laugh at me. It's my first time to see. It's my first time to touch a tripod. I've got a tripod here, aka a self stick. This guy don't laugh at me. It's my first time, eh? That's why I've got that excitement, so that I'll not be struggling in shooting my 2 videos in the kitchen wherever I go. So let's do this together. It looks like this here on top here. I hope I've read the instructions properly. Okay. So guys, it's just like a simple tripod. How to replace battery? So it uses battery. Anyways, anyhow, let's see. Selfie stick. Mary, you have never seen a selfie stick with the stud. Wow, this is nice. This is nice because when I'm doing my thing in the kitchen or wherever I go, I'll not be struggling much. So you press your phone. Hey, Natasha, how does it fit? Oh, there's somewhere you pull it there, like that. Selfie time! Hey, it's got a remote here, guys. There's a remote here. Here. You press down. You press like this. Selfie time! Then press like that. So nice, guys. So much better. There's a colleague of mine who says so much better. So much better. Are you watching me? So much better. Yeah. Wow, this is nice. So guys, I'm happy. There's a time for everything. In the book of Colossians, it says, I can't remember the verse, there is time for everything. There's time for this. There's time for this. There's time for this. So there's time for this now. Guys, thank you so much for supporting me this far. Thank you for watching this video. Let's do this again and again. Continue watching my videos. May you never lack the bundles to watch my videos. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.